vice presidential polls. Polling is in progress for the vice presidential election in the parliament. Voting will take place till 5 p.m. and results will also be announced later this evening. UPA nominee and incumbent vice president Hamid Ansari is in a direct contest with the opposition nominee Jaswant Singh. Members of both the houses of parliament, 545 in Lok Sabha and 245 in Rajya Sabha, form the electoral college for the vice presidential election.
Polling is on for the vice presidential election today. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi were among the first to cast their vote. UPA's candidate Hamid Ansari appears set for a second term as he has a tally of 451 votes. All MPs in Parliament form the electoral college of 787 votes. The minimum votes needed to win are 394. Ansari has the support of the UPA, the Trinamool, SP, BSP, RJD and LJP. Left parties, Forward Bloc and JDS, 10 independents and 10 nominated members, taking his tally to 510 votes, well ahead of the minimum needed. NDA's Jaswant Singh, though, has just 231 votes, even after the AIADMK decided to support him. The RSP and the Biju Janata Dal are abstaining.
UPA constituents like the Nationalist Congress Party, the TMK, the Rashtriya Lok Dal and the National Conference are backing Ansari. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee at Trinamool Congress is also expected to vote in favour of Ansari.
मैं सदैव के लिए नहीं जा रहा
जी, लेकिन सर जिस तरीके से बीजेडी ने बैकआउट किया, कहा हम इलेक्शन में वोट नहीं करेंगे, आपके मुख्य रूप से कहीं ना कहीं सहयोगी नजर आ रहे थे बीजेडी वाले।
तो आप काहे को इन बातों में उलझ रहे हैं? वोट तो अभी गिरना है, देखिए क्या होता है। चलूंगा भाई, शुभकामनाएं तो दो। सवाल
सर मुबारक हो।
Hamid Ansari has been elected vice president for a second term. That's the latest coming in. A president for the last 5 years now. Hamid Ansari once again chosen. Yes, he was the leading contender and was set to become the vice president for the second time in a row.
I would like to inform you that out of the total number of 787 eligible electors, 736 electors exercise the right to vote. 736 electors have exercised the right to vote. As you are aware, in a vice president election, every valid ballot paper represents one vote. Out of the total number of 736 votes, 8 votes were held invalid by me and hence rejected. Out of the remaining 728 votes, Shri Jaswant Singh ji secured 238 first preference votes and Shri Hamid Ansari ji secured 490 first preference votes. The quota sufficient to secure the return of a candidate to the office of Vice President is 365. I have therefore declared Shri M. Hamid Ansari as duly elected to the office of the Vice President of India. The election was conducted in a free, fair, smooth and orderly manner, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank the candidates and their authorized representatives for their valuable cooperation, which facilitated the smooth conduct of the election process. I would also like to convey my heartiest congratulations to Shri Hamid Ansari ji for the Vice President-elect.